Welcome to Beaufort, Victoria, a charming country town located about 160 kilometers west of Melbourne, nestled between Ballarat and Ararat along the western half. Join me as we take a relaxing walking tour through Beaufort Main Street, explore its heritage buildings, local cafe and memorial landmarks that tell stories from the town's rich past. Here, Beaufort Fire Station. This was originally established in 1874. Few other old buildings, and here is the Uniting Church. Then this is like main road shops and cafes area. You will find a delightful selection of coffee shops, bakeries and local eateries where visitors and locals alike gather to enjoy a cup of coffee or home style meal. As we continue down this main street, um, we arrived at the War Memorial uh, that was built in 1927, set within a peaceful rose garden actually. This memorial honors the men and women from Beaufort who served in past conflicts. It's a place for reflection and gratitude, beautifully maintained by the local community. This garden provides a beautiful during spring when the blooms fill the air with color and fragrance. During my visit, I also see that there are different flowers than roses, but it was still good and beautiful to see. And front that you see, that is known as Bend Rotunda, which was built in 1903. This is served as a gathering point for the community events, concert and celebration. So now we are exploring more shops around the main street. There are different types of shops around here. Like community center, antique store, local banks, fish and chips shops, news agency, hairdresser, craft. And there is also IGS supermarket. So this businesses adds to the town authentic charm and provides essential services to both locals and travelers. Whether you are shopping for a quick buy, browsing handmade gifts, or chatting with friends shop owner, this town offers a very good personal connection, often missing in big cities. And you will also see like so many heritage buildings stands beside thriving small businesses, which actually creates a living snapshot of regional Victoria's identity. It's really beautiful to see those towns and those beautiful buildings, heritage buildings. So it beautifully blends the past and present. Heritage buildings stand beside thriving small businesses, creating a living snapshot of regional Victoria's identity. As you leave the main street and pass through the quiet residential areas, you will notice the well-kept homes and tree-lined streets. Such a pleasant place to live. If you enjoyed this walking tour of Beaufort, Victoria, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more scenic journeys through Australia's most beautiful places. Your support helps brings more of these hidden gems into life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.